everyone, welcome to Skint Living UK. My name's Kathy and this is another £1 or less meal. In this oven-proof dish I placed a potato cut in half and cooked it on 200 degrees on my air fryer and set it for half an hour. After 15 minutes I put in 2 sausages and I pricked them all over and put them in and cooked them for 15 minutes along with the baked potatoes, which I'd turned over at this halfway point. The potatoes are here in the dish. I've cut up the sausages into pieces, so I'm going to put them all over, and then I've microwaved some beans with some paprika. This is smoked paprika and it cost 59p in Aldi, and the beans were 27p in Asda, but you can pick them up anywhere. And I've just used half the tin and I'm just going to pour them all over. So you've got smoky paprika, beans and some sausages. As an alternative you could use the beans with the sausages as well.